Hello students, welcome to in 5 minutes. So we will start with our third transformation function, that is inversion and reflection, which is nothing but w is equal to 1 by z. Now since angle is involved in inversion and reflection, so I'll be keeping w and z in polar form. So let I define that z is nothing but r e raised to I theta and w is nothing but r e raised to I phi. Now let's substitute here. So w I can keep as r e raised to I phi, which is equal to 1 upon z is r e raised to I theta. So I can get here that r e raised to I phi, that is equal to 1 by r e raised to I minus I theta. Now we can easily understand when you compare here, I can say here students, capital R is nothing but 1 by r, which is said to be inversion, and phi has changed to minus theta, and which is said to be reflection. Thus I can define here thus the transformation function w is equal to 1 by z, I can say maps the point P set as r comma theta, which is point of z. So this point in the z plane onto the point P dash, which I got as 1 by r comma minus, you can say 1 by r and minus theta. So that was a change of the w plane, so which we can say as inversion and reflection. Let's check some on scene. So I say here, find the image of z is equal to root phi by 2 plus I under the transformation w is equal to 1 by z. Now so we'll start with this. Now students, what we have got here, that is we have got z is equal to root phi by 2 plus I. So in solution, root phi by 2 plus I, which is given. Now changing this in what we can say in a polar form, that I require r, so I can say that is, as in polar form is r e raised to I theta, so r will be nothing but under root of 5 by 4 plus 1, which comes to be 9 by 4, that is under root of 9 by 4 is 3 by 2, and I can get theta as tan inverse of 1 divided by root 5 by 2, which is nothing but 2 by root 5. So that's my theta. Now students, so I can write z is root 5 by 2 plus I, and that is equal to 3 by 2 e raised to I theta. So I got this. Now we know that in inversion, that is w is equal to 1 by z, I have my capital R, which is a point in w plane, is nothing but 1 by r, and my phi I can say as it is minus theta. So here I can define that capital R is 1 upon 3 by 2, which is nothing but 2 by 3. So that's my capital R here, and I can say my phi, which is angle in w plane, that is minus tan inverse of 2 by root 5. So therefore I can mention here, thus the point, let's say a point, which point we were having, that is I define as a P, the point was 3 by 2 comma tan inverse 2 by root 5. This point is mapped onto the point, I can say P dash, which I got as 2 by 3 comma minus tan inverse 2 by root 5. So exactly we can see a nature of inversion and reflection here of the point in Z plane when it transforms to W plane. Thank you for watching video on in 5 minutes.